Are you a homeowner that has absolutely no idea what you want for your kitchen remodel or bathroom design? Or have you been saving everything right now on Pinterest and Instagram? Well, either way, I'm here to help you at Lotus Home Improvement. Marcus and I started in 2017, and yes, you would actually be working with us, the owners, instead of working with some clueless person at a big box retailer. We are a one-stop shop in Grays Lake that's completely family owned and managed. We offer both the installation and products, everything from cabinets, flooring, countertops, tile, knobs and handles. We are direct to vendor, meaning you will get the absolute best pricing for both the products and the installation. We have close to 10 years experience and we're ready to help you right now. Let's make your dream kitchen and bathroom a reality today.